Hello everybody, Russ from ProSteam UK here, and for those of you who follow my channel, you will know that we are specialists in cleaning LVT flooring, and the flooring that you're looking at right now is Amtico. Now this floor has been down a while. It does have surface scratches and scuffs. There's also some other issues. I'm just going to try and get on camera if I can. For instance, this tile here, okay, looks odd, and this tile here looks odd. Now these tiles are from the same batch, but they are a slightly different shade. They have a slightly different finish to them. Maybe a more glossy finish, possibly, but either way, they don't look right against the other tiles. Okay, and as we look at the floor in the reflection, we can see scuffs and scratches. So what we're going to do today, well, we gave our customer two options. The first option was a cheaper option. That's just to clean and seal the floor using a standard kind of sealant that is designed to be stripped and reapplied when it wears. Okay, and that's usually sort of, you know, anywhere between 1 year to 2 years. Now the other option was more expensive, but it was the option that the customer chose, and that is to apply a PU sealer. And a PU sealer creates a permanent non-removable seal. It also heals the top surface of the floor, allowing things like imperfections such as scratches and scuffs to be masked. The other thing a PU sealer will also do, it will allow us to choose the finish. So anything from an ultra matte right up to a gloss finish. In this case, we're going to be going with ultra matte. Reason why: ultra matte will create a very even finish, so every tile will have the same finish. So tiles that are shiny and dull, everything will look the same. Fingers crossed anyway, but the floor is very dirty. So the first thing we're going to do is clean this floor, and you can see a scratch there. Let's try and zoom in on it. There is a scratch there on the floor. There's scratches all over the floor, to be fair. So, but once we've removed the dirt, we'll have a better idea on really how the floor's looking then. So let's clean, and we'll come back to it after we've cleaned. We're using this Eccentra machine. Apart from being extremely quiet, you don't get the splash and the fling from a rotary. This machine will also get into corners, and it will get right up to the skirting boards without damaging them. Okay, and as you can see, it's doing a marvellous job at lifting the existing seal from the surface. And let's just try and get a line here. Okay, just so we can get okay, so there you have it. We're going to do the whole floor like that, and then we're going to use this machine to rinse. But the floor is a totally different colour beneath that old seal and all that dirt. Okay folks, so to give you some comparison here between how the floor looks now with all that ingrained dirt and the old seal, that's how it looks now it's been stripped. So there's definitely a difference between here and here. Okay, so that's kind of how the floor would have looked when it was laid. Okay, well, as you can see, I'm wearing overshoes, so we're at that stage where we're just about to seal this floor, but before I do, I'm just going to go over it with you guys so you can see how it looks now it's been stripped and cleaned. There's still something going on here with this tile here on the left. You notice how kind of smooth and shiny it looks. Okay, so the PU sealer will most certainly help to even that out. Okay, so when we look at this again, once we've got that first seal on, that should all look kind of the same. Okay, we've come at the end of this job now. The floor has 2 layers of PU sealer. Okay, and it's looking really nice. You can't see the scratches and the scuffs. They're just not visible anymore. Some of the deeper scratches are still visible. There were some really deep ones down here. I can just about see it. Can you see it there? Depends on how the light's reflecting on it, but sadly that is badly damaged. There's nothing we can do with that. But the light scratches and the scuffs have all disappeared. They've all gone. So we've given this Amtico floor a new lease of life, because before it was looking pretty sorry for itself. It was very dirty and it was just worn. Okay, but now it's looking a lot better. And to keep the floor looking really nice, we provide our customers with the correct cleaning product. Okay, so they can clean the floor regularly, and that will prolong the life of the seal. The seal is about 6 times the durability of a standard hard seal. Okay, it's therefore considered to be a permanent seal. So it doesn't need to be stripped. The floor doesn't need to be stripped every, 18 months and resealed. Okay, this should never have to be sealed ever again. Usually it's around 6 years for commercial properties, but for domestic, I'd say it's got to be 10 years, has to be. But if you look after it, you'll never have to reseal it. So there you have it, folks. Just when you thought your floor was ready to be lifted and replaced, once again ProStain have made a difference for a fraction of the cost of replacing. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.